Hey everyone, on our remote control units, either the one button like this one or the four buttons or whatever, they don't really take to replace the batteries in them. It's not really hard. All you do is pop the case open. There's no screws or anything in it, so what you need to do is get you a small flathead screwdriver. It's just a little pretty good size one though, but you can get a smaller one if you want. And all you gotta do is get in there and pry the case a little bit open, and pretty easy. Stick your screwdriver in there and kind of pry it apart, and you'll hear it pop. Here, see it's popped a little bit, and just pull it open. Pretty simple there. So I've got it apart, and all you do is take this piece right here out. It's simple. And take the rubber off of it there, and then slide your batteries out. Now most of our units do come with they come with two batteries in them. They're really thin. You want to replace it with one battery. They come from China like this with two little small batteries stacked on each other. But you really just want to put one battery in. It requires one battery. We get ours at the Dollar Tree. I think they're like two for $1. We get them sometimes they're one for $1, but we find the deals on. We buy a bunch of them. We get two for $1. And the number is a CR2032. See the number right there, CR2032. It's a common battery. They use them in watches and all kinds of things. They're commonly used, so you can find them about anywhere. Don't go to Walmart because Walmart charges you about $5 for one of these. So we get ours, like I said, at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree, everything's $1 there. And sometimes I went to one Dollar Tree one time, and they're one for $1. We find them two for $1, and we just buy 2 packs of them. But really easy. Just take one of these out and slide it in there, just one of them, because like I said, they come preloaded with two small little flat batteries, and they're actually not 2032, they're the CR2016, but you don't need them. All you need is the CR2032 to replacement. Slide one right in there. Put it back together. Put your unit back together here real quick. And pop it back together. Real easy. Snap, and you're good to go. And your red light and your battery should come on your remote control should come right on.